Hey guys, so I'm sure you can change your wallpaper on your iPhone Air. So to start, first just lock your iPhone. So what you're going to do here guys is you're going to hold down on your lock screen. Just look at it so it unlocks. If you want to customize your current one, you can press customize. To do a new one though, you're going to swipe to the right, press add new. So from here if you want, there's a lot of options. Just for example, iOS 26. So if you want, you can click and drag here to make the clock bigger. You can also press here to add widgets. When you're done, you're going to press add in the top corner. Now one more thing, if you want to make a custom background, press on photos. Go and select one. For some photos you can make them 3D, just press the hexagon. You can also drag down the clock. When you're done, just press add. I'm going to do wallpaper pair both the home and the lock screen. Handy guys, how there is to it. So hope this helped out.